Alright, so find important information first. There's a lot. That she bought 20 pieces of fruit. That's important. That each piece was an apple or orange. That's kind of important so you know what two things you're talking about. That she spent $1.25 on each apple, 95 cents on each orange, and a total of $22.60. And then the question tells you what you're looking for. We're looking for the number of apples that she bought. So that's going to help you define your variables. Oh, I forgot that this one was just writing, not actually solving, but that's okay. So A equals number of apples. And then I wouldn't use O, but maybe R. Because you have to have two variables. The two things you don't know are the number of apples and the number of oranges. And then to set up your two equations, your two totals are going to be what your two equations equal. Money always goes with money. So the 125, the 95, 0.95, and the 2260 all need to go together. So 1.25a plus 0.95r, or whatever two variables you use. In every other class, I solved it. Would we like to also solve it, or okay?
Yeah.
Before we do that, for this first one, 20 represents the total number of pieces of fruit. So A plus R would be our second equation. Great. If we were solving this to find the number of apples, we could use elimination, get rid of the oranges, because you don't need it. So to get rid of this, these coefficients would need to be the same. So I'm going to multiply this entire thing by 0.95.
When we multiply like this, do we always have to do something like 0.95 because that must be on the test. I was confused about that.
It depends on what you are eliminating by. So if you want to get rid of the A's, you would multiply by 1.25. Whatever it is, it just has to make them the same. So this new equation would be 0.95a plus 0.95r equals 19. And then my second equation. Because of the way I put this, when I go to eliminate, I'm going to get negative numbers, but that's okay. So to eliminate, I would subtract. This would give me a negative 0.3a equals a negative 3.6. Divide both sides by negative 0.3. So that A equals 12 apples. Questions on that one? In the second equation, or second problem, important things were the 238 tickets. An adult ticket costs $6.75, student ticket costs $3.50, and they collected $1,252.25 in ticket sales. Here we're looking for how many tickets were sold. So again, define your variables. Number of tickets is something we don't know. So let's call that S and A. For number of student tickets and number of adult tickets. The two things that these equations are going to equal are the 238 and the 1,252. Again, money goes with money. So the two things that talk about money are going to be in the money equation. So 675A plus 350S would be part of this. And then since 238 represent the total number of tickets, and S and A both represent number of tickets, we would again add those two together. Again, we are just looking for one thing, number of student tickets. So we can eliminate the adult tickets. But these need to be the same, so I can multiply this entire thing by 675. I'm going to put this here because I'm running out of space. So this would be 6.75A plus 6.75S equals, I don't remember this number, it's like 1606.5. And then the other one. Then to eliminate our A's, we could subtract. So our A's would cancel. This would give us 3.25S. And then this would give us 354.25. Divide both sides by 3.25. So that S is 109. Questions on that one? For today, if you completely finished your test, I'm going to be passing those back so you can look at it and let me know if you want to retake. And then if you do, you can start working on retake stuff. If you need to finish a test and are ready to do that right now, you can put your phone up. If not, you can take 5 to 10 minutes to look over your quiz, your review, your notes, and study. If you don't need to finish a test and aren't retaking, if you're missing Khan Academy, you could be working on that. If none of that applies to you, I have something else for you to do.